Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you some top tricks of your new House of Marley Get Together speaker. So, the first top trick from me is that you can charge your phone using this speaker. You just have to plug the suitable cable for this speaker, which is USB Type A, and with the ending of your phone, and you can easily charge your phone using this cable and your speaker. The second top trick from me is that in the speaker we have the aux port, and we can easily connect our device, for example laptop or PC or phone, with a cable without any delays. And the first top trick is that in this speaker we have, as you can see, this LED light, which is an indicator of what is currently our speaker doing. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.